What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, today I'm working on the Accord, just doing some final touches before a Japanese classic car show in Long Beach. I've never attended a JCCS ever, so it's my first time, but got some things going on today. One of the first things I did already, and I didn't record, but I dyed my Recaro black. This is the passenger one, and I use this vinyl fabric. I mean, yeah, it's not the professional way to do it, but work with what you got. And I had already did this one like a month ago just to test it out, and so far it's held up good. Just a little bit dusty from dirt and whatever, but it's held up pretty nice. Car's a mess right now, but yeah, guys, that's what I'm doing today. Nothing crazy. Yesterday I fixed, or the day before yesterday, I fixed one of these coolant leaks that I had right here. Just that cap was just old and it was cracked and it was taking a little bit of water. And then I noticed this other one was also cracked. I was taking it off, but little vacuum lines, little caps. Maybe they were just old when we did the swap. They were just laying around the shop at the time, so of course I had to get some new ones. Gonna change that one, and I'm gonna swap out this one too. It's kind of cracked right there too, so gonna do that. And probably do something about the rear too, because probably pull it a little bit more. If you don't know, I'm running the 255/40 all around. And in the front, this was done by the previous owner. Did not do this. I bought these tires used, so this wasn't me. Same thing goes for the other side. It wasn't me. Just like Shaggy said, it wasn't me. But the reason I bought these used ones was because, I don't know, just wanted to test fit before I actually pulled the trigger on a new set of tires. But the rear ones are new, so do have some rubbing issues, a little minor in the back, but nothing I can't take care of. So another thing, Boslla reached out to us and wanted to link up, tell me about the product, and they asked if I wanted to run the set. I was like, you know, sure, I'm down. Long story short, they were kind enough to send us a set. These have some crazy function and switch. So you can see it goes white, warm, and yellow, and warning flash. But this one, the H4 for the JDM headlight for the CB, they don't have that. So it's these three modes. I'll probably try to show you guys later once I get those installed. I might have to cut my rubber boot so the fan could fit, you know, pretty gnarly. I do want to use my dust cover, so I mean, I could just get these at the junkyard, no biggie. But yeah, I'll show you guys that later. So first, I'm gonna knock off some things on my list that I have. So we'll do that today, see how far I could get. And yeah, man, I'm excited for JCCS. Never been. So let's get to it. So I installed one of the Boslla LED bulbs already. You can tell right there. Here's the bulb itself. Looks like it's very good quality. Has a little fan built in. looks pretty good, you know. How long will they last? I'm not sure. But yeah, should. And they're pretty heavy too. Seems like good quality, but one way to find out, right? So I'm gonna install this one. Probably just gonna tuck one of those wires in there or something. Loom that a little bit more better. And yeah, I'll show you guys right now how they look. Can't really tell right now because it's still daytime, of course, but yeah, guys. So we first slap this on real quick. Oh, dragonfly. Gonna slap this on right here. Lock the pin into place. Then we could put a rubber boot with the bowl. And it says this should be facing down, this should be facing up, with the letters on top. And then it has its own blister box, which is pretty cool. So the H4 doesn't have the flash mode, it just has the 3 color modes. So we're just gonna plug this in and try to hide it somewhere as neat as possible. But shout out to Boslla, man. Appreciate you guys for thinking my car was good enough for your guys' bulbs. Try them out. I want to show you guys the new bulbs that I was provided by Boslla. Shout out to them. I want to thank them. I'll put the link in the description. That way you guys are interested in those lights. You guys are more welcome to go check them out. Another thing I wanted to show you guys before the video ends. At JCCS, it's going to be the debut of the new rival machine 1, which is the new H, old school type of H, classic, very subtle. And I'm gonna be showing the new rival machine reservoir socks, which it's a yellow, good quality. You can tell mine's a little bit dirty already, but I'll clean it up, no biggie. A few more things I need to do, and one more week. See how far I can get. Detail the engine bay, put the seat back on, make sure everything's running good, and yeah. So right now we have the lights on. That's the mode number 1. That's the regular driving theme, it's a nice cutout, not too blue. I think it's just perfect. Camera doesn't pick it up that well. And then that's another one that I really like is this one. It's like yellow, kind of like gives you like the fog light plus HID look. I don't know if you guys understand me on that one. Can't really tell. This is a different tint. Little doggy right there, but yeah, that's a trip right there. And then for more guys, straight up yellow, like asking to get pulled over yellow. Pretty crazy. But yeah, guys, that's the lights they have. It's pretty cool. All you do is just turn it off, turn it back on, back to your normal one. Pretty crazy, huh? Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, a like, sub, share, You know, everything you guys do, I appreciate it. It really means a lot. The subscriber count keeps going up a little bit, and I couldn't ask for any more. So yeah, peace out, guys. See you guys at JCCS if you're out there. Be sure to say what's up. Peace.